Pelvic floor after C-section, yes, you do still need to rebuild it. So you had a C-section, and maybe you were told that your pelvic floor was spared, that you didn't need to worry about it. But here you are, experiencing maybe leaks, heaviness, or pressure, and wondering why. Well, here's the thing. A C-section doesn't bypass pregnancy, and pregnancy changes your pelvic floor. Let's unpack why that matters and what you can really do about it. You carried a baby for 9+ months. That means increased downward pressure on your pelvic organs, hormonal softening of connective tissue, postural shifts that impact pelvic alignment and muscle function. And even though you didn't birth vaginally, your pelvic floor was loaded and stretched throughout pregnancy. Then add surgery, major surgery. Many women post C-section compensate through their pelvis and glutes, causing misalignment by bracing and pelvic floor over or under activity. But no one's really checking and no one's following up, and you're left guessing. So here's some symptoms you might experience post C-section in your pelvic floor. You may leak urine with coughing, laughing, or exercise. You may get a feeling of heaviness or dragging or pressure. Maybe a difficulty fully emptying your bladder or bowels. Maybe pain with movement or sex, standing for long periods. These aren't rare. They're just rarely connected back to core and pelvic floor recovery, especially after a C-section birth. So what does real recovery look like? You don't need endless Kegels. You need functional, breath-based, pressure-smart movement. So start with coordinated breath that cues your pelvic floor gently, not forcefully. Posture that stacks your body for optimal support. Whole body exercises that connect your core and pelvic floor in movement. This isn't about squeezing. It's about timing, connection, and confidence. It happens when you rebuild it, you will move with more ease. You'll feel supported when you walk and lift and sneeze and laugh, and you can stop planning your life around symptoms. This isn't about bouncing back. It's about coming back stronger and with understanding. So if you've had a C-section, however long ago, you still deserve pelvic floor support, and you shouldn't have to wait until something goes wrong to get it. MUTU is here for you with medically trusted trauma-aware recovery that fits your body and your life. Link to begin the support your body never got but still deeply needs. It's a 10-day free trial at MUTU. No shame, no guesswork, just clarity, connection, and strength.